Right guys, you are at Halton Le Moor level crossing in Lincolnshire with Delta Australia and alphabeticized. Here we go. Down the first two go. Yeah, the first two. Oh, no timer. Right. They're down. Right, now. The time now is 15:12 on, what was it? We are Saturday the 20th of April 2019, and this is for our 14:53 to Tango 41 East Midlands train service from Lincoln Central to Grimsby Town. We've got, I think it might be going over Claxby Gatehouse, but I don't know. Don't know if it's gone over Claxby yet. That's a very familiar alarm, that one. Right, it's not expected for about 3 minutes. Whoops, I was covering that with the camera. What side is my camera on? That's that side, so if I can just adjust that. Make sure I'm not covering up the microphone, that side. It's an Nissan Note over there, Jack. I don't know, but those barriers look a bit new, actually. Oh, I'm getting my train citation. Oh, right, yeah. Oh, it will do. It's double 4 barrier. It won't be due for about 3 minutes. It's been 2 minutes since it's been down as well. At least we've got the amber light. And this one has a signal box as well. Oh, here it comes. 153311. Right, 153311 to Grimsby, and up they go. Whoa, that was unexpected. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.